All right, good afternoon, everybody. So, saw a lot of videos online on YouTube about how to adjust the parking brake via the 10 millimeter nut and bolt here on the side. You can see it right there. Sorry, it's a little dark in here, but you can see it right there. One thing I did not see though was how to actually remove and get off this boot. Saw some people with some advice on it. Saw some people that took apart the center console and they were taking the whole thing out. It seems a little bit of a pain to me. Saw some people that said the boot was able to come off and you're able to pop it off. So I was able to do that, but took a little bit of learning. And this is a vinyl boot. Essentially, it's just two tabs on the side and then one that goes in the back that slides in. So if you actually look down here, there's some teeth right in there. Oops, sorry. That are on the side that are kind of act as like groove points, like slots for these like little teeth to go in. And then the ones in the front actually hold in. So you just got to get the flathead screwdriver down there to actually push them in only at the front. I mean, it's like right on the corner if you see that, like right there. And then that actually will just depress that, and then that pushes it in. I worked on the passenger side first, and then once I got that, the driver's side just came right out. So it slides up, don't even have to take it off, and then that's it. When you're tightening it, one thing just as a word of wise here, I was tightening it when I pulled it up to the 5 or 6 clicks rather, not 5 or 6 o'clock, 5 or 6 clicks. And then I lowered it again. The nut does get loose again, obviously, when you lower it because it's not tying on the, or it's not taut on the line going back to the rear wheels for the parking brake. So that's why, you know, I was like, oh, it's loose again, and I tied it tighter, and then it only clicked at the second or third. That's a little bit too tight. You probably want 5 or 6 clicks at least, just to get a little bit up there. This is what it looks like at 6 clicks, so it's a little bit further up, and this is all the way down. You can actually feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it gets pretty firm at 5. So that's what I felt was comfortable for me. It's not too tight, but tight enough. I mean, it's probably good at 4 even, but that's it, guys. All right, so hopefully this helps a lot of people, and have a good day.